Hello everyone, my name is Vinitha Sharma. I am a student of BCom second year, semester 4, section K1 of HMV College, Jalandhar City. I am here to give on seminar Special Economic Zone in India. First of all, I would thankful to my principal Dr. Mrs. Ajay Sareen and PG Department Head of Commerce Dr. Kavaljit Kaur, and also my class in charge Mrs. Binu Gupta ma'am, who give supporting me and give such a great opportunity to give seminar on YouTube. Now we are discuss about special economic zone in India. This this is a content of says introduction of says. We know SEZ is introduced in India 2000. Meaning of SEZ, the concept of SEZ is expected to bring large dividend to the state in terms of economic and industrial development and the generation of new employment opportunity. A SEZ is an area in which the business and trade laws are different from the rest of the country. The top says in India is Andhra Pradesh, Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, etc. This is the objective of says generation of additional economic activity, promotion of export of goods and services, promotion of investment from domestic and foreign sources, creation of employment opportunities, development of infrastructure facilities. This is a performance of SEZ in India. There are some reasons for failure of SEZ in India. The reasons are inadequate infrastructure, restrictive policies, lengthy procedure, no single window, locational disadvantages, strength loss. In the 1990s, as a part of our reforms, power delegated to zone authority, additional fiscal incentives were given. Kinds of SEZ. SEZ can be categorized on basis of sector, function or location and required to have processing area. First of all, specific sector. Specific sector is manufacture the goods or services in a particular sector. Multi-product SEZ. Multi-product SEZ means manufacture multiple goods in one sector or across multiple sector. It includes trading and warehousing. SEZ in a port or airport. SEZ in a existing port or airport from manufacture of goods falling in two or more sectors. This is a SEZ policy of 2019 and 20. Area allocation in term of uses. These are two terms. First of all, one is processing area, second is non-processing area. Processing area included manufacturing and services unit, infrastructure for units. Non-processing area includes social infrastructure, hotels, hospitals, housing, shopping and entertainment, school, etc. SWOT analysis of SEZ. The strength of SEZ is based on Western model and established legal redress system, relatively low labor cost, employment opportunity, etc. There are also some weakness of SEZ. Poor infrastructure and transport facilities, high cost of capital, political changes. The SEZ give us many opportunities like new small ports and airports are being developed by help of SEZ. Investment in core strength area like IT and software products and services. An alternative manufacturing base particularly compared to Chinese SEZ, and also SEZ attract more FDI to the country. Threats of SEZ. The pattern of buying and selling may not continue every year. Opposing interest, increasing rejection rate for proposal to establish SEZ. Entities in SEZ. SEZ are divided in three entities: SEZ developer, co-developer, SEZ unit. Developer means a person or a state government which has been granted by the central government a letter of approval under subsection 10 of section 3 and includes an authority and co-developer for setting up the CES. Co-developer means a person or a state government which has been granted by the central government a letter approval under subsection 12 of section 3 for providing infrastructure facilities to carrying out authorized operation in notified CES unit, a unit approved by the unit approval committee to engage in manufacture or services activities from within the CES. Next is CES layout. CES layout are divided into two parts: processing area, non-processing area. Processing area means a demarcated area in CES wherein units can be located for manufacture of goods or rendering of services. Non-processing area is intended to provide support facility to CES processing area and may include this educational institution, hospitals, hotels, entertainment facilities, etc. Advantages and disadvantages of special economic zone. The advantages of CES are allowed to carry forward exemption from payment of service tax, enhanced limit of rupees 2.40 crores per annum allowed for managerial remuneration. Disadvantages of CES are revenue losses because of the various tax exemption and incentives. Many traders are interested in CES so that they can acquire at cheap rates and create a land bank from themselves. Conclusion. CES policy has no doubt given a boost to the Indian economy, but there are also some threats and disadvantages. This term is not properly developed in India. The reasons for disparity can be attributed are improper CES policy, irresponsible planning while locating CES, ineffective land acquisition policies, improper rehabilitation policy, etc. Thank you so much for watching my video.